Hi, today I'm going to try to drift every new car. So first we got the Ford Ranchero GT. And we're going to crash it at the end. So let me just do something. Oh, that was terrible. Oh, and I already crashed the car. Okay, anyway, let's try to drift this turn right here. Okay, not terrible, but not good. Okay, not bad, but I can't control it, and we crashed. Okay, so our next car, Audi RS2 Advance. Oh, that's so sensitive with this drift. What? I can't handle the sensitivity of that drift. Oh, so bad. I mean, that one wasn't terrible, but try to do something here. Oh, that's not good. Rocket booster drift. Yeah, this thing is not good for drifting at all. The other one was alright. Oh, we're good. Yeah, we're not. Okay, anyway. Next car. Jeep Wrangler. Okay, here we go. Okay, that's not terrible already, but I just messed that up. Okay, not bad. Okay, not bad. Kind of hard to handle. Okay, we're going to try to do a right turn right here. Okay, not bad. But also not good. Okay, drift this little side turn. Okay, now this. Okay. Oh, wait, this car is kind of decent for drifting, honestly. Do a U-turn. I messed that one up. That was my fault. Wait, this thing is actually not bad. So now you gotta crash it. Boom. Okay, now for the next new car. We got that's a remodel. Oh, we got another remodel of this one. BMW 435i. Okay, that feels good. Ooh, that's not bad at all. Ooh, that's nice. Wait, this car is this is the best one so far. Handle this. Oh, I messed up. Do a left turn. A right turn, actually. Ooh, smooth. This car's insane. Okay, now we'll handle this turn pretty well, maybe. Okay, U-turn. Ooh, that's perfect. Ooh. Okay, now I crash it. That's the best one so far. Oh, backflip. Ooh, it's messed up. Okay, now the next one. Nissan 350Z Rocket Bunny V1 Aero. Okay. Ooh, that's nice. That's nice. I don't know if it's better than the BMW, though. Ooh, that's good. And look at that. It's gonna... If it hits an atom, it's gonna die because it's so low on the ground. I spun out. Anyway, so U-turn. Ooh. Handle that drift. U-turn. Left. Okay, this is not bad. It's better than the Jeep, but it's not better than the BMW. Crash. The whole plow just disappeared. Okay, the next car. Okay, yeah, the Ferrari 12 cylinder. I forgot, this is the limited. Wait, is this the current limited? No, it's not. Okay. I can handle that perfectly. Now if I do this. Okay, I oversteered a little, but still, that's good. Ooh. It's not bad. I mean, it's not good, but it's not bad. Okay, I messed that up. I spun out a little. Wait, hold on. It's not good. Can sort of do donuts, but like... Ooh, that was smooth, actually. It's alright. I'd say this thing is alright. It's a little too sensitive, but it's almost perfect. It just needs a little bit of, like, change in weight. It's too light, I'd say. Oh, we need to get a better crash than that. Here we go. Boom. How? Like, no damage. You know what? Whatever. There we go. Oh, what? Okay, the next car. Oh, it's right here. Ferrari 296 GT3. The McDonald's Mobile. Now, this car is actually nice. I'm going to see if I can handle a drift right here. Okay, it's not bad, but I almost crashed. Oh, that's nice. Drift right here. Okay, not bad, but not good. Oh, I oversteered. I'll do it right. That's nice. It's alright. Like, it's not the best. Oh, yeah, but, like, it's a little too lightweight. So now we crash this car. Oh, yeah, I know what I'm gonna do. What? Newcastle beat? What? Man United's never gonna recover. Oh. Next car. Oh, yeah. The Centenario. I forgot this car was a thing. I didn't know it was released in this update. I knew it was recent, but, like, still. Handle this. Oh, I forgot to do it for the first drift. Ooh. That's nice. The BMW is still insane, though. Uh-oh. Here we go. Ooh, that's good. Oh, I spun out. Oops. I don't even know what I'm doing. Dirt drifting, maybe? Oh, wait, if I dirt drift right here. Oh, this is ice drifting now. Oh, it's kind of difficult to do ice drifting. Whoa. Okay, now we crash. Whoa. Not bad. Boom. I didn't even crash. Boom. What? That was actually smooth, but I didn't turn my wheels. Oh, the Hennessy Venom GT. Why is the brand name Hannigan? It's funny. Okay. I kind of sold that one. Actually, it's not really the best. Hold on. This is not actually good for drifting. Wait, this is not good at all for drifting. Whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah, it's not good for drifting at all. We're crashing this car. Right into the rock. Yep. Looks cool, though. I'm actually going to change the color of the wheels. The rims. Yeah. I need to make the tires smaller, though. Doesn't look good with big tires. Small tires, I mean. What am I saying? Oh, yeah, that's perfect. There we go. Oops. Yeah, not good for drifting, but it looks awesome. Oh, yeah, I forgot about the new Veyron. I've actually never drifted this car. See that exhaust? Boom. Oh, nice. Oh, that was not good. Ugh. It's crashed. Okay, what is happening? First person drift? Oh, that's not smooth at all. Wait, if this is bad, yep, it's too light. It's like the drifting is too sensitive. We have to send it. Yep. Yeah, it's not good for drifting. I don't think there's any other new cars. Oh, there's a lot more I forgot about. Campbell, Napier, Campbell, Napier, Bluebird. What? Oh, I actually drifted this car before. It looks like a pencil, so I made it. Ooh, that's actually insane, but its handling is trash. Wait, what? Not as good as the BMW, because that has perfect drift. Wait. Yo! If I didn't mess that up there, that would have been crazy. This car is insane. Wait, this is not better than the BMW, but it's still amazing. Whoa, whoa, careful. U-turn is not the best. If I can nail this drift right here. Oh my gosh, I did. Almost. Let's do drift swapping. So like... Uh-oh, uh-oh. It's not good for drifts, like, doing, like, back and forth. But, like, overall, this is, like, it's better than the Jeep. It's better than the Nissan 350Z. That's insane. Okay, now for the Aston Martin Valkyrie. Oh, yeah. I remember the old one. I wanted this one to get updated. Yo! I could handle that wait, what? Yo! Wait, this is insane. Wait, if I could do this. Yo, it's like too good. My drift keeps staying locked in. Like, my drift is always locked in. Like, wait. Oh, what? Oh, I messed up. That was my fault. Wait, that's actually... This is insane, but it's not better than the BMW. Oh, yeah, there's only one flaw. It's because if it's difficult to time the drift perfectly. See if I try... Yo, wait, this is not better than the BMW, but it's probably second best. If I could do it correctly. Yeah, see, if I did it... it's my fault that I'm selling the drift. Okay, this car is very good for drifting. Or it's just... It's either bad because... Or it's really good. And I'm just bad. Wait, ice drifting? This is insane. I maintained a drift for so long with the Sigma. Is there any... I don't think there's anything else new. Yeah, oh. No, it's literally impossible to drift. Actually, maybe not. I don't know. We'll try. Whoa. Its drift is so delayed. Wait, that's not bad. Wait. This is not bad at all. Okay, yeah, this is like third best, I'd say. Actually, second best. It's better than the Valkyrie, honestly. Oh, that was my fault. Yo, wait, this thing is crazy. I'm gonna crash it, though. You know what? We're not gonna crash it this time. We're gonna do this. And I missed. You know what? I'm gonna chop off all the wheels with my flamethrower. Actually, with my probe. I can't take this anymore. Oh, I forgot about this thing. I don't wanna do this. I have to do it on the ice because it's a treaded car. It's literally not even moving. Okay, this could be... I have to do it on ice. Okay, not bad. So I have to do it like this. Wait. Yo. Okay, I put this like... It's not bad. Wait, it's insane. Alright, nice. Okay, bye.